Good morning, children. Let us discuss some questions from NCERT based on arithmetic progression. Now, question number 1, you can see which term of AP is given to you 3, 15, 27, 39, will be 132 more than its 54 term. Here AP is given to you, that's why first term we have A as 3 and D we can find out, that is second term minus first term or third term minus second term, and this is 12. And formula of an, which is last term, is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have to find out the 54th term. That's why n is replaced by 54. Value of a is 3 and value of n is 54 and value of d is 12. You can see all the values we are substituting. And by simplifying it, we are getting 639. Means 54th term is 639. According to the question, what is given to you? Which term? Let us assume an. B 132 more than its 54th term, this relation is given to you. And according to this question, what we have written, an, B equal 132 more means 132 plus 54th term means A54. And let us replace 54th term, which is 639, and by adding them, we are getting 771. And formula of an, which is nth term, is a plus n minus 1 into d, in which what we know, value of a and value of d, let us replace 3 on the other side. And by simplifying it, we are getting the value of n, that is 65. And the answer is 65th term is 132 more than 54th term. Now, question number 2. For what value of n are the nth term of two APs? This is first AP, this is second AP, are equal. In both APs, nth term are equal. That's why what we have written, nth term. And where is nth term? You can see here, a plus n minus 1 into d. A, first term of this AP, n minus 1 formula, into d 65 minus 63, directly we have replaced. Similarly, nth term of the second AP, first term is 3 plus n minus 1 in the formula, and d7 out 10 minus 3 or 17 minus 10 is 7. By simplifying it, we are getting value of n, which is 13. And the question is completed here. Now, again, we are continuing. Question number 3. You can see if 7 times the 7 term of an AP is equal to 11 times the 11 term, then show that 18th term of this AP is 0. What relation is given to us? 7 times 7 term. 7 into A7. A7 means 7 term. Equal 11 times 11 term. 7 into 7 term, A plus n minus 1 into d, where n is 7. And similarly here, 11 times 11 into 11 term, A plus 11 minus 1 into d. 7 minus 1, you know, 6, and 11 minus 1 is 10. By multiplying with 7, these two, we are getting 7a plus 42d. And by multiplying these two with 11, will become 11a plus 110d. By shifting a on the other side, a on the left hand side and b on the right hand side, simplifying it, we are getting the value of a, that is minus 17d. But what we have to find out, 18th term. 18th term is a plus 18 minus 1 into d. Here, value of a, just we got it, that is minus 17d. We replaced value of a, and 18 minus 1 is 17. It is minus 17d. You see, it is plus 17d. It can be cancelled, and by simplifying it, we are getting 0. Hence, we have proved 18th term of this AP is 0. Clear to everyone? And revise it properly.